Hi everybody. I saw a live. Okay, I'm at MobileZone. That's at Egmore with Suresh Jumani and friends. And I just saw a live video where they immersed a phone into water, fully into water, and nothing happened. Well, I picked up this phone. I came here, and I am with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. Okay, this is a foldable phone. Okay. Few days back we did the flip. Now this is beautiful. Okay, this is a phone. Now this is a phone. This is a tab. Okay. Now if you want to watch movies and all that, you don't have to carry an extra tab or a pad or anything with you. This is it. Okay, and I think it works with the S Pen also. It works with the pen and everything. Okay, so this is a wonderful device, amazing device. Just fold it like this. Superb. Okay, now I'm going to have real fun with this. I've been allowed. If something happens, okay, I'm not responsible. Okay. Now this is the all right. This is the fold. I unfold it. Now this is a container. This is some water. Water. Okay. Now here, see.
Yeah, you can keep it here.
I will show you. I'll show you. Yeah. Okay. This one. I want to make sure that the water does not fall all over the place. So yeah, this is the phone. I'm pouring water over it. See, front, back, everywhere. I'm going to pour water. It's a foldable phone. Okay, and I'm going to fold it and pour more water. Okay, and they say nothing is going to happen to it. Nothing is going to happen. Okay, they call it this rating, that rating, and all. But here's the thing. You can actually have a shower with this and nothing happens. Nothing. 5 out of 5. This is too much. Okay, this is too much. Okay, now after you have a shower, you have to wipe, no? So you use a towel, you wipe it, and that's it. Not a drop. It's all disappeared. Superb. And here you can watch an entire movie. This is too good, yeah. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. So this is how it looks when you open it up fully. You sit, watch your movies, watch your videos, do whatever you want, and you just fold this. Okay, now another fun part. This is I think check out. Okay, I don't know how to do this, but over here, nice. I don't know. I will have to figure it out, but. I just want to show you the camera. Yeah. Okay, so now we open this. Okay, so where is the camera? Is this the camera? Yeah. So check this out. Okay, these are the guys who are shooting. Okay, that's Suresh Jumani there. Okay, and we are being shot. This is at MobileZone. Now look at this. Can you imagine a selfie this big on any other camera? Okay, everybody who knows me, I take a lot of selfies. This is, imagine, you can take a selfie with this, such a big selfie. And look at the clarity, man. It's awesome. It's fantastic. Tuck. Yes, the selfie done. But this is so good, so amazing. And then you close this and you put it in your pocket. I mean, if you have a pocket, you have a display there. So, this is an amazing phone, folks. That's a Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Flip and fold. Samsung has rocked. Okay, I think pre-bookings have started. When will we get this, Suresh?
Between 8th and 10th.
Between 8th and 10th of September at MobileZone, it will be available. Please come till 9 o'clock every day. We are open. I think we are open tomorrow. Are we open tomorrow?
I see.
Are we open on Sunday?
No,
you're not open. But you can definitely come on Monday. This is the price. These are the prices. Okay, that's for 12 GB 256. It's about 1.5 lakhs. And 12 GB 512, that 158, okay, around that. So come and pre-book, and make sure by 8 or between 8 to 10th you have finally a partner you can take to shower. All right, thank you guys. This is Nabarun Ghosh signing off. Ta-da.